Chelsea 1-1 Arsenal stats, feisty London derby ends all square at Stamford Bridge. Arsenal came from behind against 10-man Chelsea to secure a point and extend their unbeaten run to 17 games in all competitions. It's absolutely a better point for Chelsea. They played the game with 10 men for nearly 60 minutes. Playing against a team of Arsenal's quality, they will have anticipated the Gunners would have created some clearer chances, but Chelsea defended extremely well. Chalobah and James were magnificent, but collectively, they were close to each other and speaking to each other throughout the whole game. The communication had to be great for them to pull a result out of the bag. Chelsea stuck to their task. It was a magnificent performance and they will be going home the happier tonight.